Pagkikukal from the parking 3-point shots. That was a surprise lead. Game 3 for Mr. Excitement. Now Jessica Yan Alonso. The Excitement. 2, 3. 10 seconds. By 10. That was a victory connection for Kelvin. Balik ng 5 for the server. No, si Balase! Sino ba sila? Ilan, pass to Mendoza, power trip! 8 seconds sa banda. Napinawag ang bigla yung bola. Kakanahan, number 20, Craig Cannon. SBB President. Here comes the Excitement of Guagan. First back hit from the Kevin Alonso. Magpapadalos-dalos. Huwag kang magpadalos-dalos. Kevin Dalos. Tira mag-ibagay na naman again. Hindi na ako magpapay. Good ball. And almost for Kevin Dalos. Kevin Dalos on the line versus good. Easy 2 points for young Chris Morales. Here comes Kevin Dalos. The alley-oop pass inside. Pinapagyung yung pass sa ilalim. Basket for 2 by Ramirez.
Wait, no, kalabang.
Answer. Dosi Balaxi. Jeffrey Marcosi playing from the baseline to number 10. And the stretch! Hit for 2 on Jaron Ramirez. Now Ivan! Look good! There's a good team. Rocky Pagina Morales! Hit the basket! Ready contact power. Kevin Dalos. Back to James. As a pass. Corner 3. Back to back, muscle back by Rocky. 8 seconds. Number 1, Ivan Castro. Through the Jaguar. It's a goal. That Jaguar. Ivan Lopezine. Now, versus good. Ivan Ortega. Luis Jacob Bulgarin. Uncontainable na Delta. Sancho to the inside, using board. Get down. The second is Sancho good. They make the goal. From downtown. Open. Caprese. 30 goal to score now. Ortega. Palete Casinal. They're now for Ivan Bubugarin. Number 3. Foul for Arvin Ortega. By this number 9. Glenn Casinal. Number 18. Beckham Rocket Santos. Screened by Jeffrey C. Brian Picapito. Yes. 5 seconds. On the signal, pass to Glenn Casinal. Santos, pass to Ivan. Pass to Jaron Bulgarin. Speedy on Jeffrey C. Enrico Serrano. Rossi Palazzi. Sino sila? 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Glenn release the play. 10 seconds from clock. Arvin Ortega. Versus 2 out of 2. Castro. Casadele. Alonso. Castro. 10 shot clock. Manala. 8 seconds from the long three. It's Alonso. Back down to the loose. To Sancho. Rico. Fire. And now 20 pounds. 7. Rossi Palazzi. Well, first line. Good position. Rocky, pass it down to the loose. Yes, sir. Basket for 2. And again, taking to the loose. Number 1, Ivan Castro. Ready to number 24, JP. But Yaki go for the line. First in the game. The game clock. Down to the loose. Great by Rocky. Kennedy. 2-2. Rocky. Yes. That's that. For Kennedy. Down for the CSFP. Rocky detaching this match sequence. Here comes Kelvin Lewis from the CSFP. Now to the loose, 15 seconds. Handheld shot clock. Okay, number 11, Fireine. This is by Yaki. Again, we have our number 10. It's another super from the CSFP on the number 30, Claudia. Number 625. 3-4 seconds. To the definitive projection, Rodriguez. Serrano. Take that two. Doubles pass to Marina. There's 2 for 2. Foul. Swing of WC. Seconds. Here comes Reggie Zapata. Umupa to get that basket. Number 34. Second quarter. Now number 8 seconds. Here comes Bayama. Whoa, okay. Ganda sistema for this last wave. Herda, CSFP jogging us up. What a shot! Down pass, yung tandem. Ito na yung excitement. Enrico Serrano, the high flyer from Bangkok, Guagua. They're receiving rebound push from the block of Fighting Reapers. Yannick Alonso. No Ibarasi. Japanese Yuri. 10 seconds. Number 11. Hey down. Good shot, Chad. Foul. Jason second. Split. Great one shot, Ryan Santos. The Jaguar. Kick out to Alonso. Here comes the Jaguar. First three good. And the neck out the blue. Back pass. Here comes the Bagua. Alonso, the excitement. Yes. From the double-digit deficit ng San Fernando, baba na ngayon ang 6 na lang. The 3 points. Yung Dr. Martineros ng San Fernando. Julen Casinan. Now on Alonso. Alonso speed. Ball gets. Rizzo Casinan. 2 free throws. Yanking Alonso first throw. 2 for 2. Gana po tayo 42. Oh, the stretch! On the Diego Ramirez. And the looks. Fight over 99. Nakita, kurang-kurang. Yung show by Rice. Pouring. Ryan Santos, 7-2 Daniel. Foul. Split. Diego Ramirez. Inside pass. Led by Zapata. And beating the officials. 3:35 from downtown. Brian Santos. 3:20. Now James Alonso, number 3. Now, Tainale, the show by Rice. Lagot kayo. Legit mang inasal. 3-8. Drawn. Extra pass. And one on Joey the Big. See on the crossover. Bumangkat. Kay Mayu. There goes a rock. That was a strong move for Nosy Balasi. Shot again. Casinan. 5. Kelvin. Lose. Drive. Set. Down the last. Hooray. This is it. Substitution. Mark Manalan. Pass to JR Pagarin. Little weapon pass. Ready ka pag sumabit ka pa rin. 55 seconds. Number 13, Kelvin Veluz. Pass to JD. Padilla. Laps sa 3. Rapadas, Becadate, Well, balik sa ating show sinasal, Jenny Padilla, Rob Kaglas, Kaglason, foul. For number 71, Nico Serrano. First one good. Substitution. Alonso. To Brian Santos, Felipe Yen. Alonso. The excitement. 10 seconds. Right chance for the last shot spot. Young acting Jones Inasal. Campaign the nose. 5 seconds. Now down 3. Campaign Pinipine. Kumatake. Bola. And pumasok ko. Still Kogi Bukal from the parking 3 points. That was a surprise lead. Get 3 more. Mr. Excitement. 61-65. Lumapit agad sila ng tabagan ng mga apat for San Fernando. Kelvin Galuz. Now, Jessica. Dosi Balasi.
Samsat ka pa niya.
Kelvin Galuz. 3-point shot for Rodriguez. Wala rebound natin for Jeffrey Marcosi. There comes Greasy. Pass nice and Alonso. Foul for number. This is good. Two out of 2. James Alonso down it quickly. Alonso. Pass to Sancho. Okay. Now Armin Ortega. 3-point shot for Sancho. Wala. Defensive roll. That was another free pass. Go! 6:25. Balik ng 5 for the super. No, si Balase! Sino ba sila? And down Rodri! Very front of the J.Lee. Anderson from the big block. Kumagal ng pagbangan. Now chance to make down into 1. And Nico! Serrano! Basketball count! They're attacking ng ating San Fernando to get the minus score. Pero wala. Baksak. Recover. Pakinosi. Balasi. Jeffrey Sanchez now to make it the lead. Ibababa. Crossover. Nabitawan. Now by Morales. Pumanggap. Black. Naipasa. Back. Number 21. Look at the contact. Time the ball game. Yes, game. Tapos na kayo. Block on the game. Alonso, ball fake. Alonso na kalusot. Ayan na. Yung unang kalamangan. Nagkabaliktad na yung lihim ng hangin na bagya. Pero, papagay sa akin naman ng discount nito ulit sa Fernando. Here's their basket. From the first until for the third, talagang yung Nico Serrano, 350. Kelvin open! Tablatano! That was a victory connection for Kelvin position. Tignan natin. For the ball of 10 seconds. Isolation. Pass to number 20. And it's a blocking foul. This is Florida GA versus you. And maiden vote. Papalapit na kami sa katotohanan dito sa ating tatlong bakbakan. Number 18, Pangilinan. Pass to Mendoza. Patrick! Yung kamay ni Don Hontiveros na kay Glenn Casinal. 76-75. Change paper tayo. Balik ang isang puntos na laman. For the Jones Inasal. Undertake. Cancel for our answer. Again. Bola rebound for Brian Santos. Here comes the Jaguar. Kick out to Alonso. Tumila ng press. Supply. Rebound na gawan. Nico Serrano. Pumulot naman ang rebound for the Guagua. Isa pa kay Alonso. Pumili na ang arangkada sa loob. Dito sa 4 shot. received by Dingo. 40-second shot clock. 8 seconds sa kanta. Nakinawag ang bigla yung bola. Kakanahan. Number 20, good catcher.
Look at that size.
And goes the blitz. Last 1 minute. 87. This is a comeback from Goldwell. 15 seconds remaining. Shot 15 to 3. Casigan. Shot pass to the away. 30 seconds remaining. Here comes Miguel Alonso, screen by number 21. Behind the back, Alonso jam receive, then down, and now go! There's gonna be tapping the Blues! 4 seconds, 4-point lead, pressure up to the big one. That is only for Candice 1-point lead. Candice 1-point lead, to goal. 4 seconds to pressure up to the big one. Number 23, Alonso. Alonso, pressure 2. Number 1, time down, shot block. Laban sila ng isa. Inupo siya shot block. Ball, the goal. Yes, 4 seconds. Chance to make it a lead. The first victory from the Gold Washington. Napakagandang laban. Our best player on the game for the Gogo Fighting Universe. Our best